Have you ever wished you could be Iron Man? Or maybe switch faces with someone for fun? Well, now you can, thanks to the FaceFusion AI tool. FaceFusion lets you swap your face with anyone. Let's dive in and get started. This is the fourth video in our FaceFusion series. In the first video, we learned how to install FaceFusion in Pinokio. In the second video, we covered how to face swap using images. In the third video, we showed you how to swap faces with pixelated images and then depixelate them. Now, let's move on to today's tutorial. Start by opening the Pinokio software and selecting the FaceFusion option. Click on the Run Default button to initiate the process. Give it a few moments, and you'll receive a link to run FaceFusion directly in your browser. Once you're in the browser, upload your source image in the Source section. Next, upload your video into the Target section. For quicker results, be sure to select CUDA for faster processing. Here's preview of face swap result. If you're happy with it, you can export it. Make sure to set the output path where you want to save your video. Now, just sit back and wait as FaceFusion processes your video.
1 hour later.
The face swap video is ready. Take a look at the result now. And that's how you can use FaceFusion to swap faces in videos. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any updates or upcoming FaceFusion tutorials.